Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to explore the Dubai town in night view, and you will see the amazing places in the Dubai. Now I am leaving from Deira, Dubai to Karama by using this small ferry boat. This boat, I think it may take 10 minutes, and they will charge you 1 dirham each. So a lot of the time you will get boat here from very frequently. Every 15 minutes gap you will get this boat here. Now the time is 12 AM. You can see here the people are wandering here and there without sleep. It's a creek. This creek is I think 1,200 meters long and 7 meters depth. Earlier this creek is used for this transportation of the cargo and this thing. The reflection over the water is very beautiful. Lot of colors you can see. Boat is moving now, not that much fast. It will take 10 minutes. Let's go and see in the Bur Dubai area, the Karama. I think this time most of the shop might have been closed. Let's go and see what is there. Now today just we came here late, that's right. Here if you want to come here, you should have to come evening 5 o'clock like that. Then you can see a lot of the crowd over here. Now night 12 AM, not that much. Anyway, here the sceneries are very beautiful. See this night, during night times, lot of illumination from the buildings, all these things. Up there you can see one tower and one small ship also is there, cruise ship. You can say that is a boat, cruise boat. This boat will leave during
1,200 meters. It's like that. This is the creek that used traditionally for the transport and trade purpose. This creek. Here also you can see some food.
This boat will leave I think 5 PM this evening. Then they'll go to the main sea and they'll come back after 1 hour like that. I don't know about the charges for how much they are taking. Up there you can see one minar of the mosque. And here also you can see one cruise boat inside, fully illuminated. What's the name of that? That is I think Zabil. we are approaching the jetty now. All RTC responses, they had not looked in the beauty of this street. I think they might have failure with this street. This is the peak of Dubai. Now we are just about to alongside the jetty of the Karama. See this one small boat is leaving from there. It's no passengers. Okay, we reached the Karama. This area is called the Bur Dubai. Okay, come let's get down. Okay, walking through this small channel. This is not Sajid. This is not the one. See this? This one? Yes. Some toy items. Now the time is night 12 a.m. Still now they are doing their business here. You see this? These are I think gift items. Okay. Now here almost all the shops are closed now because the time is over. Because now time is 12 a.m. That's why. So during daytime it may be very busy this side. No, this one khana ja rahe. Walking late night in Bur Dubai. Huh? Yeah. See this one supermarket is open. Still now. Yeah. I think 24 hours they are open here. Bus stand is here. If you go straight there, you will find this Karama bus stand. Okay, now we are leaving. Nothing is seen here that much because the time is late. We came here late, that's why. Almost all shops are closed. There is not that much crowd that we have expected. Now we are leaving from Karama. I think every 3 to 5 minutes we will get boat from here. These boats are coming and leaving from here. Now we are leaving from Karama. Bye bye Karama. Anyway, I'll come back during the daytime or evening to see here the crowd over here. Okay, I'll come. Now I didn't see anything that much. Almost all shops are closed. I'll come. See the reflection over here, the light of the buildings falling into the water, and it's very beautiful. Lot of colors. See that building, very colorful, and reflection also very good. This creek, this is Dubai Creek. This creek length is I think 1,200 meters long, and the depth of this creek may be I think 7 meters. And traditionally, this creek they are using for trade purpose. Okay, some cargo ships are moving from here to this Oman and Iran. They are taking cargo from here. Not big ship, this wooden ship. Small ships are there, they are carrying some cargo from here. Okay, they are using this creek for that purpose. You can see here one boat is going to the Deira region. Nobody is there. Now the temperature is okay, not that much hot, and it's cool, 25 degree, 26 degree. Now the winter is started now here. See over there one flight is going to land. Airport is nearby, Dubai airport. You can see from up there one flight is going to land. Boat is moving very slowly, not that much fast, so that the people can enjoy the creek. That's why. See this, another boat is coming. It's also tourists filled with this boat. So all are coming here for relaxation, you know. They are fed up with their life and they are coming to this area and they will get relaxed. Okay, just now we have landed in the Deira region. See the reflection. Oh my God, it's amazing. They are beautiful. Okay, this is a private boat. If you want, you can have this boat and go. Okay. I don't know about the charges for that. See here, now time is 12:30 a.m. You can see the Radisson Blue, that is a 5-star hotel. See here. See, there's some people, midnight they are jogging here, midnight. You just think that, see this, playing football, all these things, midnight. See, some of them are walking and some of them are playing. This area I think will not sleep. I think 24 hours I think people will be there here. They're walking here and there. Some Pakistani people are playing these cards. Sit-in lounge area. See, some of them are dancing there.
It is the middle of the night they are playing
Here,
cricket.
they are playing cricket here.
It's the middle of the night there.
Midnight cricket. See? So I'm going to end this video here, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. I need your support. Thank you very much.